You have to come with a picture of them and everything and show me and say, yeah, you have this, I have this, you have that, I have that, I have this, that. Argue with blood clot me. You cannot argue. No big old tough woman who still living at them mother house can't argue. I not talk about the young girl them and can stay with them mother. I not talk about them, but the big woman them still living at them mother house and argue with the young girl can't argue with me. And no girl will get no pass down, nothing can't argue with me. No pass down bed, no pass down furniture, no pass down house, no pass down land. You can't argue with me. You have to be independent. You argue with a girl, we have the same thing. Argue with a girl, we have pass down things she gets and pass down the son in at the same level. You see, 2022, we all you argue with girl who in at the same level with. It's very sad and goes. You get what I say? So we're not going to argue in a low-level junk crew. All who needs to hear this, including myself, because I definitely need to hear it. I want to in me. I love the advice and can't take it. Yeah. I'm in a class, no girl. What a chopper boy, them give them nothing. Man for spend. So if your man secure, you go on and big up your good old self, my love. Big up your good old self. Yeah, girl same way. Not fuck for nothing. What you mean? Some man who stop it. You don't love beg the young boy them. And then not. You don't love beg the old man them and not beg the young boy them. The young boy them on a prize. Just come phone or come pick on up and just sex on out and just drop on a half back. Them even calling and half on a reach home. Just sex them off. Old man I tell you say don't eat anything when you're coming here. When you're coming here, don't eat anything at all. You know? Because the man knows them can fully belly and make you feel good. And the old boy them say, don't come with the belly no mama. If you know say you're hungry no mama, stop and buy something to eat. You get what I say? Make sure say your belly full before you come here. My house not really stay that way there, you know. And I them man do not argue with girl over. Kill is right through. But can class you know, come in a stay again. I don't go like I never used to stay so some used to stay crackers and water me used to get. But after a while, you don't have to change. Some man who not got treat from when they're young and still got treat up to today, yeah. I want to not learn. Eh? When you not going to learn, you have to stop it. Bima, you that's enough. Bima, remember your mind man right through. So the conversation, yeah, just come out tight for me now. Just open your door and just come out. Just go on home. The conversation here for you. Maybe your mind man right through, your man young boy right through, my love. I'm glad I never par on you because I probably catch it for me and think that I am not worth it. Me no mind young boy and me no mind boy. Girl when nice and stay good and shape good and pretty and blood clot no so dollar. Cause you stay body nothing you're supposed to mind nobody. Cause you're young, you're fertile. Your body ready for breed up and have your picking them burst still up in the ear do the right down your navel you saw shape good you look good in any clothes when you put on your wig is a total different person when you put on your makeup a straight rich craft so you don't know say no need for do them some of them I love you nice and clean straight through you know all you have to do is walk talk the truth my man stage I went my all as a man you crazy. You're mad. Lord God, I want my man at the panel live, you know. I'm so thin-skinned. At Bima, make Bima send a request. Come for my live. Who that them grade? Who from yesterday for you for mind boy? Bima, you have a certain type of man where you mind, and they have a certain type of man where mind you. You say, look, all man, them like the one in your bed the other day. I hope you don't get a man the money, you know. The video them have with the man in your bed. I hope him not get the money, you know. My body too water if you take care of my love. Shape man there. Come like when ice cream and melt. You can't mind him. Crazy. Be Christmas love. Mary Aquarius. Me just talk straight. I talk straight, anything come on up, I just talk it and I don't business. Be must send me a request now. Come on for the live, come back it yourself for join it, just join it. You don't know about IG? Yeah man, my mouth is not for me. I realize my mouth is just that's like the first time I'm going to church or pastor start, but me no kind of know say me never belong in this. So me for talk to Jesus by myself. Me for talk to God by myself. Me no forgot in this, my love. Can probably that'll tell me something too strong and you don't know that go. So me will just stay by myself, get my Bible quotes, talk to him, praise him. Alone. Yeah. Yeah, that's young. Nice man.
All the years of girl class here and I turn to I think I Nash me attack. I turn to Nash and I say, you know, some hear some girl I bring down Nikki.
Saying what?
I say, oh, you told them one.
Hear them. Hear them.
It must be black. Must be black. Them say if you told them must be black. Either them black or you must go one party you told them one though.
So that people really talk about my tour. We have $1,500 for do a gel polish. One can sit down and do my tour them. $1,500 for do a gel polish. And I could have paid for everybody tour in the salon. Meanwhile, I do my tour. Buy muscat and bring KFC in a salon and pizza and give everybody my tour. Eh? Me's a business girl. Me's a working class girl. Let's see how I'm stay right now. Business working class girl. I work straight through Christmas every day, Boxing Day every day. Just tell me, say, I want to buy something and I will open my shop for you. That is me. So, girl, I have time to fix up all the time. I go broke down and pop down and paparazzi all the time. But you see my life, it's like I always do. But I ask you, that life you have straight through.
You go on bad. Nobody start up, Nikki, but it's just... Nikki,
I know how Manchester
say, honestly, I'm a turn to Nash, I'm say, you know, say, people will always start the worst about the people because Mr. Nikki does so good. People now go give people them flaws. Mr. Nikki get so good and when them cannot find nothing for talk. Here with them I go class the woman and say.
Them people don't worry about somebody we are talking about my tour. And them some of them I like when people rub me say. Them look at things there, your toe, your fingernail them. Your knuckles black, your wig lean, and them robot them they want from girl. And them type of robot them look brush off robot them, but that's the charm. Them robot them, I don't want a serious robot. Your life was fixed. You're catching, you're staying over yourself. People them put me out in my bag and up on everybody. And I don't want them robot there. Them look a simple robot there, I told what do. Your customer will talk to them and do it tomorrow and it do. 8 bills, 7 bills, 15 bills, just polish. What? Done. I can see that. I bring down that baby. Come on. Can't you that the girl them have something upon me? I really that. Tell me what else.
Nobody not come take you to the house, man.
Oh, them for take me out to the house. Nice
and the girl not take. And the girl not take. The girl from the scene not take a man with the even.
No. If them are take him, them not have no sense because them very silent. But now ask Christ, any girl with iPhone go and say, me I take fair man, me I put it up. You have to even put up him fingernail. You have to even put up him eyelash, me I put him up and shut up our blood clot. That's a number one.
Anything
if I get take my man, my gun elsewhere, just like that. You think me I argue or a fight? Crazy.
You got your down the place, man.
That's why I have to big up my man. Can a girl not have my road all about the streets at talk and I go on and a girl not have him name all about and I go on and could have embarrass me. And him don't do it. If he embarrass me, look for respect. I'm good with that. I'm good with that part there. But him now make a girl come laugh off of me and class me and drop my name right through the dirt. I have to big up him.
Tell the truth. Straight up. Another the most important thing from respect there.
From respect is there.
Some man not respect him, I go want fuck all your friend them.
What do you mean talking now? Come here, so one girl that talk about her mate, you know. She said, my mate, this is my mate, this is my mate. I go weird, this is my mate, I go come to party. I mean, I said, I don't know, all girl have mate. And most of them have mate. And just most of them have mate. Just so? Tell me a wife, I just know some have a mate. That couldn't work with me, my love. But I could be the girl who just come in your life and you tell me, say, you have your woman. I'm going to tell her, say, I don't mind. But there's no way in hell I can be wife. And my man start fuck something and just me attack say my mate this and my mate that. I can't have mate just so me a wife and have mate. I mean know some have mate and me don't know about it. I lie ya tell. You mad? If my sister me there with young man and nice man, I give my gonna take a old man when nobody know. And as him boss, I go for your old one again. So
but some girl I gotta tell themselves that them not gonna left them man just so.
Why not? Alright, some girl I gonna say about if you catch a man a cheat, you're not gonna let him because you're gonna do with somebody. Him gonna do with somebody and say I get cheating again.
But you love him, you're supposed to overlook it, alright then. At the end of the day, if him never cheat and him never disrespect you and one time something happen, he make a slip up. You're gonna scut off him neck too.
Me can't slip too. I can't land straight through, but that's a slide. Slip straight through. No man no more than me, my love. If you slip, me I slip too. Me not ask you because I will pass Cinderella movie. You hear so Cinderella man a gear bun and all of the other little story them. Them man they not give them woman bun. Them nice little story them. Fairy story there. Them exist. Them exist. I want it. Simple. I want that story. I want to be in the book. I want them to write about me and talk about me and happily ever after. When we're young, I be happily ever after we know about. Since we get big now, be a fuck pan, cheat pan, sex pan, suck pan, all different type of something. I feel accept mate, accept woman in a man's life and then look at something there. No, don't create yourself.
What the price like you look
at? Girl, I could sit down and take them something there. You crazy?
And the threesome also.
And threesome also. First thing first. You see, for me now, I'm nice time I stay good. I'm sister, my man, I give my bone. I'm not saying nothing. Because at the end of the day, I love company. So my man give me the look about now. I'm going to go in my yard. I'm going to miss him. I'm going to call him back. I'm going to look like an idiot. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not saying nothing. But just out on the hunt. And just go and look my people. And so I find a nice man. One nice and stay good. Blocks drop him. That is it. I said for God. You crazy? I'm going to show them give the bond. Someone, you see, he's just the person with the one that got away. That's hotter than fucking back on a man. You see, if you're the one with the man catch you know, gonna catch the man a cheat and just left the man son and not chat to the man and not look on the man and not answer, no call, no text, no nothing. Just like that. And him just can't get to him, can't get a hold of you. Trust me, that mad up man, mad him out right through. See, if you do, protect back this man further down. You see, you're not going to do that again, you know. You see, if you ever do it, you're not going to do it good. But you're going to get a whole heap of respect. I'm not asking you to go full of respect right there, so. You have to look for you good. And you're not going to cook for just this for any type of girl. It have to be a certain girl. So, you have to know how to do the thing. You get what I say?
Yeah,
me have to get respect in my relationship. I don't drop my love. If my man pinch me, I left him. Me not take no beat, no nothing, and no way. You crazy? You mad? Some people could have come bring me down for my tour. Be my house nice and clean out. Big door. What? Oh God, I'm in a fairy tale. They could have argued with me when I'm watching stories. When we talk about stories, Cinderella, no right on the door. Everybody. Watch this. Here's again.
What's there?
Soft truths.
Chandelier.
Watch there.
You go on.
They could have argued with me. You're crazy. Me and Duppy they don't get there easy and a ramp and a play. No girl could have argued with me.
And in the first country, but she live in the city.
Right in the city, she. No, it's too far. Nah, yo. No girl when I have no space for no Duppy run up and down and I can't argue with me. No space in them house. For no Duppy run up and play hide and seek. Can't argue with me.
Nikki,
no girl, so me a big dad. No girl when them a walk through them house, them not fair catch birds. Can't talk to me. But I ask you, me a fair catch birds straight through. And I go upstairs, I can't go up the next stairs. Them girls can't with me. Them a catch better than them house. I water them a catch. When the rain fall, I water alone them a catch in them house. Them could stop with me over 2. Like your blood clot cell. You must be crazy.
So like now your man there on the road and they are work now. Where you do at the house?
When my man there work what?
Big mansion.
I not hear what you say.
Like where your man there take up this. Like where your man there work now. What you doing at the mansion? Just work.
But don't even really live over here, girl. I just come visit when I'm ready. I don't live over here. I don't have nothing over here. I come visit this house when I'm ready. See what needs to be done. Buy up my little things. Them look buy a little. Remember, I live with my man, so I'm not really there like that. I could there at the place at Echo Store and empty. You're crazy. I know that empty still. Coming a rush, nothing. But more things with that done, yes, I just have to take off plastic off of the stove and just have to take off a plastic them off of the things. I don't like that, man.
You're the life that you live in, you know.
I'm not ask you. Remember Rosalie me I come from where the people have walk through my house.
No man, that is a diary of a real hot girl.
Diary of a real hot girl. Diary of a real ghetto girl. Will come up.
It's a hot girl.
And the humbless one. The humbless one coming to hype on people. I don't hype on people none at all. I don't show off. I don't go like I'm better than nobody. I'm easy going. I'm cool. I heal everybody. I go up. Everybody. If you don't take me off the money, I walk like a madman. I act like a madman.